Excuse me, sir. Not looking for trouble, sir. Not looking for trouble, sir. No, which way? Are you gorping me? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? What did I think was really gonna happen? Like, literally, what the did I think was gonna happen? An alarm was gonna go off. It was literally an alarm. I hit the button. I was just like, well, it's letting me interact with it. I should see what happens. Of course, Kojima puts it in there for big dumb idiots like me.